0 where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0 is called the quadratic equation in a variable of x. And when zeros is the quadratic polynomial, as you learned in your 9th standard, polynomial p of x, if k is a real number such that p of k is equal to 0. If k is a real number, p of k is equal to 0 and then k is called the 0 of the polynomial. And again, roots of quadratic equation. What are the roots of quadratic equation? Let ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and a must not be equal to 0. Okay? Be the quadratic equation, then the value of x such that the equation ax square plus bx plus c becomes 0 are called the roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, now let us learn how to form a quadratic equation. In general form, x square minus sum of the roots multiplied with x plus product of the root is equal to 0. So, if it is alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, sum of the roots is equal to alpha plus beta. That is, sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. What is minus b by minus b? Minus b is coefficient of x. That is sum of the root divided by a, coefficient of x square. Okay? And then product of the root alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is c by a. C by a, c constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Now let us move on to the exercise 3.9. Determine the quadratic equation whose sum and the product of the roots are given. Here, first one is sum of the roots and 20 is product of the root. So, sum of the root is equal to sum of the roots, even you can write as alpha plus beta is equal to minus 9 and product of the root alpha into beta is equal to 20. So the quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta, that is sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. Is equal to 0. Product of the root is nothing but alpha into beta. Okay, so x square minus alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 9. So, minus 9 into x plus product of the root is equal to product of the root alpha into beta is equal to 20. Is equal to 0. And now minus into minus plus. So, x square minus into minus plus 9 into x, 9x plus 20 is equal to 0. So, we are asked us to determine the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is x square plus 9x plus 20 is equal to 0. Now, let us move on to question number 2. So, here we have sum of the root as 5 by 3 and product of the root as 4. So, write as sum of the root alpha plus beta is equal to 5 by 3 and product of the root alpha into beta is equal to 4. So, quadratic equation is equal to x square plus within bracket alpha plus beta x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. So x square minus alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3 into x alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is 4 is equal to 0. So as you see here, x square minus 5 by 3 x plus 4. 5 by 3 is in fraction. So convert x square divided by 1 into 3 and here again into 3 to make it equal. So now multiply 3 into x square, 3x square minus 5 into x, 5x plus 4 3s are 12 is equal to 0. So divided by 3. So multiply 3 into 0, 0. So the equation is 3x square minus 5x plus 12 is equal to 0. Question number 3. Minus 3 by 2, comma minus 1. So sum of the root is equal to sum of the roots is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 by 2. And then product of the root is equal to alpha into beta is equal to minus 1. So the quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. So x square minus alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 by 2 x plus alpha into beta minus 1 is equal to 0. So here write x square minus into minus plus 3 by 2 x plus into minus minus 1 is equal to 0. Here 3 by 2 is in fraction. So multiply with 2 to all the terms. 1 into 2, 2. Again here 1 into 2, 2. Now 2 into x square, 2x square plus 3 into x, 3x minus 1 2s are 2 is equal to 0 divided by 2. So if you multiply with 0, it becomes 0. So the quadratic equation is 2x square plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now let us go on with question number 4. Sum of the root is equal to sum of the roots is equal to minus 2 minus a whole square. That is minus 2 minus a whole square. And product of the root is equal to alpha into beta is equal to a plus 5 whole square. So the quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the roots alpha plus beta x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. So x square minus alpha plus beta, here we have minus 2 minus a whole square. So within bracket minus 2 minus a whole square x plus alpha a plus 5 whole square is equal to 0. So x square minus into minus plus and within bracket 2 minus a whole square x plus a plus 5 whole square is equal to 0. So quadratic equation is equal to x square plus 2 minus a whole square into x plus a plus 5 whole square is equal to 0. Question number 2. Find the sum and the product of the roots for each of the following quadratic equation. In first Roman letter, the sum and the product was given. So we found the quadratic equation. In question number 2, quadratic equation is given. You have to find the sum and the product of the roots. So comparing the equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a is equal to coefficient of x square is 1 and b is equal to coefficient of x is 3 and c is equal to minus 28 constant. So c is equal to minus 28. Now sum of the roots is equal to alpha plus beta. So b by minus b by a minus b by a minus b is 3 by a is 1. So is equal to minus 3 and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. C by a, c is equal to minus 28 by a is equal to 1. So it is minus 28. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus 3 and alpha into beta is equal to minus 28. Question number 2. Quadratic equation is x square plus 3x is equal to 0. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So write a is equal to x square. So coefficient of x square is 1 and b is equal to coefficient of x is 3 and here constant, we don't have constant term. So write 0 is c is equal to 0. Okay, now sum of the roots is equal to alpha plus beta is minus b by a minus b is 3, a is equal to 1. So therefore sum of the roots is equal to minus 3 and product of the roots is equal to product of the root, that is alpha into beta, is c by a. C is equal to 0 by a is 1. So 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0. So therefore alpha plus beta, that is sum of the roots is equal to minus 3 and alpha into beta is equal to 0. Question number 3. 3 plus 1 by a is equal to 10 by a square. Now 3 is a whole number plus 3 plus 1 by a is equal to 10 by a square. To make all the terms even, multiply each term with a square. So divided by 1, multiply a square both with numerator as well as denominator. And here already we have a into a becomes a square. So a into a multiplied with a. Okay, now here a square and all the terms we have a square. So remove a square and write the numerator alone. A 3 into a square, 3a square plus 1 into a is equal to 10. 10 is constant. As per comparing with a x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So convert 3a square plus a and take plus 10. When it comes to the left side, it becomes minus 10 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 10. Now alpha plus beta, sum of the roots is equal to Sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Minus b. Here b is equal to 1 and a is equal to 3. So minus b is 1 and a is equal to 3. Then product of the roots is equal to alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. What is c? C is equal to minus 10 and a is equal to 3. So c is equal to minus 10 by a is equal to 3. So alpha into beta is equal to 10 by 3. Question number 4. 3y square minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So taking a is equal to coefficient of x square. So here we have y square. Coefficient of y square is equal to 3 and b is equal to coefficient of x, that is y, is 1. So minus 1 and c is equal to minus 4. Okay. Now sum of the roots is equal to alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a minus b is, here we have minus and b minus 1 by a. A is equal to 3. So minus into minus plus by 3. So sum of the roots is equal to 1 by 3 and product of the root is equal to c by a. C is equal to minus 4 and a is